Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 6th of February 2023 in Elbistan, Turkey.
Hey, tam yeni yıkıldı, yeni. Ha, yeni.
Abi o vergi dairesi komple yedik. İş Bankası gitmiş.
Fresh earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 struck Elbistan district in Kahramanmaraş province in southern Turkey. The earthquake occurred around noon on Monday, the 6th of February at 1:30 local time at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers.
Bina çöktü.
If the preliminary data on magnitude and depth were correct, the earthquake was extremely dangerous.
Allah'ım sen yardım et.
Sana gitmen yerler var. Çok kötü, Allah'ım yardım et. Kimse var mı? Sesimi duyan var mı? Sesimi duyan var mı?
It can cause catastrophic consequences for people and infrastructure, likely resulting in serious and wide-ranging damage.
Aman. Kenara geçer misin? Arkadaşlar, internet yok, yardım çağın.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.
Arkadaşımın olduğu bina çöktü.